instrumentals.
What's going on, my good people? It's emoneyshoes here, and I'm back with another review. I'm out here at the Navy Exchange. It is hot as hell. Look at the nice blue skies. Got the gust of wind blowing, but nonetheless, it is hot. I need to tone it down a little bit. But you didn't hear me want to complain about the weather. It's all about the shoes, and y'all already know how we do on this channel. It's hashtag brickbybrick. Probably by the time you see this video, my 4K giveaway will be on the way, so make sure you refer back to that video for further instructions and what to do and how to get into that. Also, you make sure you check out the Who Has the Heat battle with Sneaker with the Fall versus J. Smith Jordan. Is going to be this Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And always, I would have to give much love and respect to the fam. MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, 313 Retro Queen. She's doing her thing every Wednesday, so tap in with her. Also, the bro, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna get my merch out with the homie SNOOCHS Customs on IG and the bro Money Run Clothing. And last but not least, check in with my sisters. Go over there and check them out. You got Ashley Reviews, you got Pam M, and Princess Fame, and I'll put all of their links below. Now, enough of my talking. Let's get into this review. This is probably going to be one of these hated or loved shoes. As you can see, it's an Air Jordan 1 mid. Suggested retail price $110, but if they ain't even changed, it's $89.99. Official colorway: white, racer blue, black, cyber. Size 11. It's weird. I don't know. I got flat feet, I guess. I don't know what you guys talk about ones, but to me, ones are just not comfortable. It's like a unicorn for me, or like a diamond in the rough. Very few ones are comfortable with me. I normally can do 9.5, 10, 10.5. This one, 11, was A-okay with me. As you see my other video with the newspaper, this is the team logo. You got your 23 paper. I think I got these joints. They got them for like $53. If I can find the receipt. It's in here somewhere. You just got to take my word for it. So you let me know what you copped that for, that cheap $53. You got the stamp up there. And see this? Bap. Like I said, I don't know about this shoe. I don't make the shoes, I just report what's out there. $53, would you cop this shoe? Under the bottom, kind of got that sail white, you got your Nike, and you got your traditional R. So you already know when you got the white bottom, one wear and it's a wrap. You just got to clean it afterwards. All of that good stuff, right? Use a Jason Mark or use your Rejuvenate or whatever you use to do the shoes. Look on the shoe, you got the logo, you got the stitching. The letter's not premium, it's pretty still, but hey, it's okay. With your perforated holes, you got your white laces, you got your tongue all white, you got your Jordan sign with the Air. And let's see here, coming around on the side, let's check out the stitching. You got your green, like I said, you got all these logo stuff going on. It's kind of busy. You got this green, it definitely will stick out though. Look at the stitching there. You got your Air Jordan in there sliding it, and you got your shininess there. Coming around on the back, check out the stitching there. Then you got this watermelon look, I guess, and then you got a stitch here. Then you got your black sock liner here. Coming around on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. Let me see. Oh no, not the same thing. This side is like that fuchsia pink. The other side is lime green. So that's pretty good what they did. They kind of did the opposite of track, which are 85. And then you see you got stuff under like Art of Dunk and Jumpman and 23 and all that other stuff. So you get the drill. No shoe tree and nothing, but you do have your QR code, size 11. So like I said, if you don't know how that QR code stuff works, you want to make sure your pair is legit, refer back to my Jordan 1 Phantoms. I put it up there, up above, so you can go back and see how it works. So you make sure you ain't got no, like we like to say, fugazi, or you ain't got hit with the hook, as Rupert would say. So now, with all that talking, let's see. On a little lit meter, boy, I don't know about these. I give it about a 4 out of 5. Definitely have to be your cup of tea. Probably gotta let these shoes marinate a little bit. So I give it a 4.5 out of 5. But you let me know, for the price point, for $53, would you cop, rock, or pass like a no-look Magic Johnson pass? You let me know below. But like I said, I guess we currently on the road to 5K. So tell a family member, a friend. After this 4K giveaway, the next giveaway will be around Christmas or New Year's. Like to do giveaways around that to give back to the community. So other than that, it's hashtag brick by brick. It's emoneyshoes.